In British system, we use unit of measurement which are mile, yard, foot, and in bracket it is a representation कि हम फुट को इस तरह से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं एक उससे, और इंच को ये डबल, ये जो सिंबल है इसे एरो से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। मेट्रिक सिस्टम में कौन कौन से यूनिट आते हैं हमारे? किलोग्राम, मीटर, डेसिमल, सेंटीमीटर और मिलीमीटर, ये कुछ हैं। सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल में मीटर आता है हमारे पास, ठीक है। अच्छा, ब्रिटिश सिस्टम में हमें ये पता होनी चाहिए कुछ बेसिक कन्वर्जन है विच वी मस्ट नॉन कि 1 फुट में कितने इंचेस होते हैं? 12 इंचेस होते हैं। और 1 यार्ड में कितने इंचेस होते हैं? 36 इंच। 1 यार्ड में फुट कितने होते हैं? 3 फुट होते हैं। और 1 माइल में 1760 यार्ड होते हैं। मीट्रिक सिस्टम में 1 मिलीमीटर कितनी वैल्यू के बराबर होता है? 1000 माइक्रोन के बराबर होता है। और 10 मिलीमीटर में 1 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं। 10 सेंटीमीटर जो है वो 1 डेसीमीटर के इक्वल होता है। और 10 डेसीमीटर 1 मीटर के इक्वल होता है। और 1000 मीटर 1 किलोमीटर के इक्वल होता है। ऑर्डिनरी मेजरिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट, we have already discussed some of them, like steel rule, ordinary depth gauge, protractor gauge, outside caliper for if we want to measure the dimension from the outside, then we use outside caliper. And if we want to measure the dimension from inside of some circular edge or any part, we use inside caliper or leg caliper, divider, then caliper. What precision measuring instrument are? Vernier caliper, vernier depth gauge, vernier height gauge, outside micrometer, inside micrometer, micrometer, depth gauge, dial caliper and dial indicator. Okay, vernier caliper. What is vernier caliper and why, what is the objective? Why we are studying vernier caliper? My workpiece to within an accuracy of 1/1000 inch or 0.001 inch using a 25 division inches vernier caliper. When we use 25 division inch vernier caliper, it can measure up to 1/1000 thousand part. Measure workpiece to within an accuracy of 1/1000 using a 50 division inch vernier caliper. These are the calipers on which there are different kinds of division. Like for 25 division, there is a different way, and for 50 division, there is a different way. Measure workpiece to within accuracy of 0.02 millimeter using a metric vernier caliper. This is the vernier caliper. Vernier caliper are precision tool. Uh, what is difference between precision and accuracy? Accuracy is how the measured value is close to actual value. How the measured value is close to actual value. This is accuracy. And what is precision? Precision is basically how the measured value is close to previous measured value. How the measured value is close to previous measured value is precision. Vernier caliper are precision tool used to make accurate measurement to within 0.001 inch or 1/1000 inch or 0.02 millimeter, depending upon whether they are inch or metric. There are different cases. First of all, we must know the what is the material. It is made from nickel chromium steel. Nickel chromium steel. Okay, these are the parts of vernier caliper. Vernier caliper can be used to measure diameter, thickness very accurately of a very small things. These are the parts of a vernier caliper. These are internal jaws. We call them as internal jaws. These are external jaws. This is a locking screw. For example, we can open it and this will move towards right, and then we will close it, it will move towards left. When we open it, put something here, then we close it and fix it, and we will measure the value. That we will look later on. Now, for the time being, concentrate on the parts. Uh, it consists of internal jaws, external jaws, This is a locking screw. We can open it, fix the part, close it, and this is the scale marking. This is a metric scale. On downward, it is a metric scale, and in on upward, it is an imperial scale. And this is a depth measuring blade. If we want to measure the depth, we can use this. We will study later on that how we will use vernier caliper to measure diameter and thickness very accurately. Okay, a vernier caliper consists of mainly two parts. Part 1, a 2 centimeter wide, 15 centimeter long rectangular metal strip. This is metal strip. This is 2 centimeter wide and 15 centimeter long. The left and bottom side of the strip consists of a fixed jaw like this. These are fixed jaws, and at the same end, at the top strip, these are fixed jaws like 1 and 2. These are fixed jaws. On the strip, a scale 5 is graduated in inches. Along the upper edge of another scale, 4 is graduated in centimeters. These upper markings are in inches. These upper markings are in inches and lower markings are in centimeters along the lower edge. These are in centimeters. This is called the main scale S. This is main scale. This is main scale. This is main scale. Okay, part 2. Vernier caliper consists of mainly two parts. Main scale we have studied, and now a metal frame V called vernier slide over the main scale S. This slide on main scale. This part moves here and like on right side on and left side. This is main scale. At the bottom of this frame, V a button 8 like marking P is attached, which helps to fix this vernier at any desired place on the main scale. This is used to fix
आवाज
the.
कट रही है सर.
This video is being recorded and I can share with you on the YouTube channel, so you can just hear it. I can share it with you,
Oh, okay.
which help to fix the vernier at any desired place on the main scale. This point is used to fix on main scale. This vernier frame consists of jaws 1B at the bottom, jaws 2D at the top, like this is the jaws. Two scales are graduated on this frame corresponding to two scales on the main scale S. The two scales 6 and 7 on vernier are called vernier scale. These are on the same, like these are in inches and these upper are in inches. These are in which system? We have already studied that these are in metric, and these are the scales for which we can measure the line, which we will study later on that how we will use this as to measure the diameter in small dimensions. Vernier scale consists of equal number of divisions. This is the vernier scale. This consists of equal number of divisions. This is the main scale. When we move vernier frame over the main scale, a thin strip C will be projected out. This will be projected out when we will run vernier scale on main scale. The projection will be exactly equal to the distance between the jaws. This distance and this distance will be equal. The lower jaws 1 and 1, these two are 1 and 1 AB, are used to measure the thickness of external diameter. Like these are from this, their shape shows that they are used to measure the external diameter. Look at this diagram, they are used to measure external diameter of a tube, cylinder or sphere. External jaws are used to measure. Okay. Use the inside jaws of the caliper as shown. These are the upper jaws are used to measure the inner diameter. Their shape shows that they are used to measure the inner diameter. Look at this diagram. They are used to measure inner diameter of a hollow bodies like tubes or holes. If we want to measuring the depth of a hole, the thin strip 3, this is used to measure the depth of an object like test tube or something else. Principle of Vernier caliper.